Recording the sewer line here at Cheryl Bishop's place. It is May 8th, 2020. I'm recording this from the clean out here in the back side of the house. Sewer is one of those wraparound jobs where it comes out of the back, wraps around back side of the house, and then makes its way out to the front. In this case, on the south side of the home. I'm going to be, well, never mind. I think it's coming out of the north side. Excuse me. I'm about 120 feet out right now. Where we run into something that I cannot get past, mostly due to the fact that I'm 120 feet out and can't push that far. But the line appears to be open out here, albeit a little bit flat. Again, there should never be water sitting in the line, and it looks like it's sitting in it out here. That's way out towards the street. We're going to come back. This is 6-inch concrete pipe we're going through right now. We're going to come back towards this clean out that I'm working from here. I think we're coming now into 4-inch concrete pipe. 4-inch diameter, I should say. And here's a turn, our 90-degree turn. You see some toilet paper building up on this turn here. This is probably, I'm going to go locate this, so I'm going to pause the video here for a second and go locate where I'm at. Okay, I've got that turn located. It's over in between these two houses, in between the blue house and our house here we're recording from. Coming back through here, so a pretty good sized root there, and a turn didn't look so hot over there in that concrete pipe. So we got roots coming in there as well. Got another turn here. I'm going to locate this turn. We're going to pause the video one more time. Okay, return to the recording here. So that turn again, some roots coming in. You got some roots all kind of through this stretch. You see quite a bit of sewage getting hung up through here. That's due to the roughness of the bottom of the pipe, how aggregate it is, and also the roots that are intruding. So pretty good sized root there, growing into the pipe and choking off the diameter. This is underneath the deck now here in the back. Again, lots of root through here. Big old root there. That root's massive, so that thing's taking up 90% of the pipe here. Again, another root there. And we're back into the plastic here. So, get all the way out of the clean out so you see where we're recording from here. There's your clean out we're recording from. And can end the recording there and relay the findings here to Cheryl.